Hello future engineers, here is a video in fluid mechanics, particularly on properties of fluids. And in this video, I present problems, solutions to properties of fluids, particularly gases. So here are the problems. The mass of air in a room measuring 3 meters by 8 meters by 12 meters is 370 kilograms. What is the absolute pressure of air if the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius? So we use the perfect gas law. P volume, pressure times volume equals MRT, or pressure equals mass over volume density times RT, where the pressure is the unknown. The mass is 370 kilograms. The volume is quantity 3 meters by 8 meters by 12. The gas constant of air is, you should be able to memorize this, Newton, 287 Newton meter per quantity kilogram kelvins. And the temperature in kelvins is temperature in degrees Celsius plus 273. So substitute into this formula here. Pressure equals density. Density is mass, 370 kilograms over volume, quantity 3 times 8 times 12. Gas constant 287. Temperature absolute is 25 degrees Celsius plus 273. So calculating the pressure in kilopascals, in pascals absolute first, it is 109,877 pascals absolute. You check the units. So if the density is in kilogram per cubic meter, gas constant of air 287 joules per kilogram Kelvin, then we have kelvins, then that's the pressure in pascals absolute. Divided by 1000, so it is 109.877 kilopascals absolute. We then proceed to the next problem. Determine the ratio of the density of air to that of A. Hydrogen gas, B. Helium at 15 degrees Celsius and 101.325 kilopascals absolute. So we use the same formula for density. Pressure equals density RT. Absolute pressure is 101.325 times 100 times 1000 to convert that to pascals absolute. Then density of air, gas constant 287, temperature, absolute temperature in kelvins 15 plus 273. So 101.325 times 1000 equals density of air 287, quantity 15 plus 273. The density of air is equal to 1.2259 kilogram per cubic meter. Then we proceed to the calculation of the density of helium. Helium is 4 moles, number 4 in the periodic table. So its molecular mass is 4 moles. Then the universal gas constant is MR 8314 Newton meter or joules per Kelvin mole. So substitute where M is for the helium is 4 moles. So R constant of helium is 8314 over, sorry, this is hydrogen gas rather. A is hydrogen is the first element with 2 moles. So it is 1, the first, times 2, 2 moles for hydrogen gas. Then it is 4157 Newton meter per kilogram Kelvin. So hydrogen gas is also a diatomic gas because it has 2 atoms. Substitute 101.325 times 1000 equals density of hydrogen, then gas constant of hydrogen, temperature 15 plus 273. So the density of hydrogen gas, the lightest gas, is 0.084633 kilogram per cubic meter. The ratio therefore is 1.2259 divided by 0.084633, and that is 14.48. Then for part B, helium number 7 in the periodic table, so it also approximates its molecular mass of 7 moles. So 101.325 times 1000 equals density of helium gas. Then its molecular mass is 8314 over 4, where 4 is the position of the helium element in the periodic table. So it has 4 moles. Did I mention 7? It's 4. So quantity 15 plus 273. Then it is equal to 0.16927 kilogram per cubic meter. So the ratio is 1.2259 over 0.16927. That's around 7.242. There was an advertisement in Nike Air, 90s or 80s, late 8, late 80s I think, about Nike Air, that it was mentioned there that helium is 7 times lighter than air. So the brand Nike Air shoes were, I think, inflated with helium. That's the reason. Next, a rubber balloon is filled with 1.2 kilograms of helium at 180 kilopascals absolute and 22 degrees Celsius. What will be the theoretical diameter of the balloon when it reaches an altitude where pressure and temperature are 50 kilopascals absolute and negative 10 degrees Celsius? Assume that the pressure and temperature inside and outside of this altitude are the same and that the balloon is a perfect sphere. So first, let's compute the initial volume of the rubber balloon, where the mass is 1.2 kilograms, and the information about helium is in the preceding problem. Its molecular mass is 4, so we can compute its gas constant from PV equals MRT. So pressure V1 equals mass of helium, gas constant of helium 8314 over 4, temperature 22 plus 273. So the initial volume of helium is 4.088 cubic meter. Then at this certain altitude where the absolute pressure is 50 kilopascals, both inside and outside, and the temperature is negative 10 degrees Celsius. So P50 P1V1 over T1 equals P2V2 over T2. Let's use this Boyle-Sar's law, state of gas. So P1 is 180 kilopascals absolute, V1 4.088, temperature absolute 22 plus 273 equals P2 50 kilopascals absolute, V2 over temperature negative 10 plus 273. Solving for V2, V2 is 13.12 cubic meter equated to pi over 4 diameter cube as volume of sphere. The theoretical diameter of sphere, therefore, at that altitude is 2.926 meters. Then lastly, what is the gas constant of ozone? And it is O3. So the gas constant is 8314 over molecular mass of ozone, which is because oxygen as an element is number 16 in the periodic table. It has 3 atoms, so 16 times 3 moles. So 8314 over M, and M is 16 times 3 or 48 moles. So it is equal to 173.2 joules per kilogram kelvins. So that's it for this video.